Hey everyone, this is Arun. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a BI Publisher report to your dashboard. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Arun. I make videos on Oracle ERP Cloud, EPM, integrations, and analytics. If you want to see more videos on these topics, make sure to subscribe to the channel. In the last video, we saw how to create a simple dashboard and dashboard prompt. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to add a BI Publisher report to your dashboard. Here we are. So I have a very simple data model. And if you see the data model, it's querying the GL balances table. It has account, period, debit and credit values. The most important thing that you should focus on is the parameter. So I have a parameter defined, which is called as P_period. All right, let me run this report. I'm going to select March of 21 and click on view, and you can see the data, and click on table view. You can see the data here. It has the account, the period name, debit and credit values. Let me go back to the catalog. I'm going to go to the folder, or maybe go to home. Oh, here's the report that I have. So if I open up the report, you'll see that it has a prompt. Let me select 321, click on apply, and it's going to show you the period and also the account, debit and credit values for that period. So that's pretty simple BI Publisher report. All right, let's check out the dashboard that we created in our last tutorial. So here's the dashboard. Let me open this. You'll see that we have two dashboard prompts, invoice type and select the period. And we have two sections. And the first section, we have two pie charts. And the bottom section, we have the tabular data. What we're going to do is we're going to edit this dashboard and include the BI Publisher report at the bottom of this page. Okay. And what we're trying to do is the BI Publisher report expects a parameter. So we're going to use the dashboard prompt to pass that parameter to the BI Publisher report. All right. So next thing, let's go ahead and edit the dashboard prompt. And here's the dashboard prompt. All right, so we have two dashboard prompts for now. Let me go ahead and add a column prompt. And here, what we're going to do is we're going to expand fiscal calendar. And we're going to select accounting period name and click OK. I'm okay with the label. The important thing that you have to remember here is set a variable. So make sure you select this and set a variable, select presentation variable and give it a name P_period. All right. So remember our BI Publisher report data model, the parameter name is P_period. In the dashboard prompt accounting period name, we are configuring it to set the variable, which is a presentation variable, and the variable name is P_period. So what's going to happen is when the user selects a value for this parameter or prompt, it's going to set the value of this presentation variable to whatever the user selects. So if I select the prompt value to be 521, and when I click on apply, that's going to set the variable P_period to 521, and that gets passed to the BI Publisher report. All right, click OK and save. Let's go back to our dashboard. So I'm going to click on edit. All right, so if I run this, you should see three dashboard prompts now: invoice type, period, and accounting period name. Let me go back and edit this. All right, expand shared folders, custom, go into financials, DB, V2, and you should see a report called GL Balances BI report. I'm going to drag and drop that into the bottom section and click save. I'm going to click on Run. If I scroll down, you should see it doesn't have any data right now, and you should see the GL balances, and the prompt value is null because we haven't selected anything. Let's go ahead and select and see, and select 321. Search. We have that. Click OK. And we have 321. Click on Apply. Let's scroll down. You can see that based on the value that I select here for the accounting period name, that gets passed to the BA Publisher report, and now you should be able to see the BA Publisher report. If the BA Publisher report doesn't have any parameters, it is as easy as dragging and dropping that into the page of the dashboard. If it has a parameter, you have to use this method wherein you set the you create a column prompt and set the presentation variable, and the presentation variable name would be the same as the parameter name that you have defined in the BA Publisher report. So let me go back to the BA data model, and I'm going to show you that one more time. Here I have set the parameter to be P_period, and let me save this, go home, and let me edit the prompt. And if I go to the properties of this, you can see that for the accounting period name, I'm setting the variable P_period. And you should see that the parameter name is P_period. So make sure that the presentation variable name and the parameter name are the same. And once that is done, you should be okay. All right, that was a quick video. I just wanted to show you how to include a BA Publisher report in the dashboard. I'll probably create 1 or 2 more videos for the OTBI series. I had a lot of fun creating these videos. I hope you guys found this helpful. I've started a new tutorial series on Oracle Integration Cloud. Make sure to check it out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. To see more videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends and colleagues who works on Oracle ERP Cloud and EPM. Yeah, make sure to listen to my podcast. It's called Oracle Cloud Bites. It's available in Google Podcast and Spotify. If you want to be part of the podcast, let me know. I'll be happy to have you on the podcast, and we can talk about ERP Cloud, EPM, or anything related to ERP Cloud or Oracle Cloud, for that matter. All right, I will talk to you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.